Often you get data for performance, for example, how different students performed across the different subjects. And you would want to have these numbers formatted as percentage. How do you go about it? One, these numbers are marked over 100, and a percentage represents numbers between 0 and 1. For example, if you just come and format as percentage, you see that the numbers will be multiplied by 100. So for us to avoid this issue in Excel, we have to first of all get these numbers and first divide them by 100, then we convert them into percentage. And how do we do that? We can type 100 as a number anywhere in our spreadsheet. We copy the number, and then we come and highlight our data, and we right click, paste special, and then we activate the divide option and we press OK. Once we do that, we see that what used to be 72 is now 0.72, and when you convert it into percent, it will be showing our grades in percentage. I hope you find this useful for formatting your data.